Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade V40s and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do is to simply open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, then just tap on the button with the square icon and it will simply open the recents. If you've got the gestures, just like me, all you have to do is to simply swipe your finger up from the bottom to the center of your device and hold it somewhere here, just like that. And as you can see, after releasing, you will be able to check all of previously open tabs. If you want to, you can close only one of it or 2 of them, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you've got a lot of apps opened, you don't want to do it manually, just tap on this X button in the middle, let's say in the middle. As you can see, we've got the information that the memory has been freed, but we can enter in order to check it again, and as you can see, we have no recent items, which simply means that we just successfully closed all background tabs. So basically that's all. This is how to turn off running apps in your ZTE Blade V40s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.